Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a roller axle on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. If you're replacing a front roller axle, open both doors, along with the water filter cover. Pull the toe kick plate free. Lift and support the side of the appliance you're replacing the axle on. Use a flathead screwdriver to help remove the retaining clip. You can now slide the old axle out. Install the new roller axle by sliding it through the roller bracket and roller. Snap the retaining clip on to secure. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Reinstall the toe kick plate by aligning the clips on the plate with the brackets attached to the refrigerator frame. Then snap the plate into place. Close the water filter cover. If you need to replace a rear roller axle, pull the refrigerator away from the wall. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screw to release the water inlet line coupler from the lower rear access panel. Unthread all of the screws to release the access panel. Lift and support the appliance. You can now remove the retaining clip and slide out the old roller axle. Install the new axle by first positioning the roller in the frame, then slide the new axle in to hold it in place. Snap the retaining clip on to secure. With the support removed, reinstall the access panel. Be sure to secure the water inlet line coupler to the panel. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.